Hi there, this is Shrikant Dasari. So in this lesson, we are going to study about the various lists in HTML. So let me launch the IDE, which is NetBeans 7.4 version. So let us create a new project here, HTML under HTML5. Okay. So let us name our project as HTML5 lists. Okay, since we are dealing with various kinds of lists here. So next, rest of the options, let us make it as default. So now we have created a project which contains a single HTML file, which is index.html here. Okay. So NetBeans, as you know, that NetBeans provides us with a template of all HTML5 basic template here. So let us remove all the unnecessary things, which does not make any meaning for us. So, okay. So now we have just a plain blank simple HTML page with HTML most default HTML tags here, and we have a doc type here. So let us name our title as HTML5 lists. Okay, somewhat relevant title here. So now, so there are three kinds of lists in HTML. Let's have a comment and write them. One is unordered list. Okay, unordered lists. Second one is ordered lists. And third one is description lists. Okay, third one is description lists. So these make up the main lists of HTML which are defined on HTML. So first let us look into what is an unordered list here. Okay, so you can build a list of items in using unordered like unordered list using the tag ul. Okay. So the tag is going to be like this: ul opening and closing. As we have studied that every HTML tags has opening and closing tags here. Okay. So ul tag. So inside the ul tag, in order to build the list, you need to have another tag which is known as a li tag here. So in this li tag, so you can mention so whatever the item in our list is going to be. So we can build any real world group of items in the real world. Let us say suppose we are going to build a list for fruits here. So, okay, so you can say simply apples. So the next list item, so you need to take another li tag and to build that, let's say bananas. Okay, so another list item. So you can keep on building the list items here. So until your list gets completed. So let's now in this example, let us take just an example of 3 fruits here. Let's say grapes here. Okay. So here we have taken an unordered list, built an unordered list using the ul tag here, and with the help of li tag, which is used to build the list here. So now let us just save and run our HTML page in the web browser, which is obviously the Chrome, since the option of Chrome is selected here. Okay. So if you look into the web page, so how it's going to look here. So here is the output, the page which looks in the browser here. Okay. So that's simply it consists of 3 items, which is mostly an unordered list of 3 fruits here. Okay. So since we have said that it is unordered, it is preceded by some default styling, which is bullets, okay, or circles, darkened circles here. Okay. So there is another kind of the second kind of list is ordered list. So let us now see how an ordered list is built here. So the ordered list is built using the tag ol. Okay. So as we have used li in the previous list, in unordered list, here also we need to use an li tag here in order to build an ordered list here. Okay. So let us say let us build another list of 3 items. Let's say now real world items like cars, Ferrari, the first list item. Okay. So another list item, we need to have another li tag here, Ferrari, Ford. So whatever real world items you need, you can have so keep on building Mercedes. So okay, so here we have it's quite optional. You can have the list in the same line, or you can have like this. Okay, You can just simply make it an enter, and you can make it in 2 to 3 lines. In that way your code looks very lengthy. So whatever it's optional, you can keep it like this, or you can simply place in the same line, whatever however the way you want it. So now let us just save our page and view it in the browser here by clicking the run button. So if you see the output, the only difference between the ordered list and unordered list is that since we are saying that the list is going to be ordered using the tag OL tag, so if you observe, there is a number preceded by the each list item, which makes it an ordered list. Okay, so there is a series given to it by default. Okay, so this is the main difference between the unordered list and ordered list. So apart from these two lists, we have one more list item. Okay, so which is known as a description list. So in order to build a description list, we need to have a tag called DL. Okay, so DL consists of again two child tags, or two tags within that DL tag. One is DT, definition term. Okay, so we need to close that DT also. Okay, so the DT, you can say something definition, let's say coffee here. So DD is a tag which is used to define that describe that definition term. Okay, so since we have set coffee, so we need to have some text describing that definition term. Okay, so let us say coffee black hot energy. Okay, so people drink coffee for energy, so let's describe in that way. Okay, so in the same way you can have another definition term. So as far as your requirement, you can have any number of definition terms. Let us close this definition term manually. So another, let's say a soft drink. Okay, so let's have another describe tag here for that one. So DD, close automatically. Let's say the definition, the prescribed term for this definition term soft drink as a cold, refreshing drink. Okay, mostly cola. Okay, so whatever the definition you can apply for a soft drink, you can say it in your means. Okay, so now if you save and run your web page, HTML page, to view it in the browser here. So let's see how it looks in the browser. So if you see here, the definition list is entirely different from what we have done in the previous two lists here. So the definition list consists of definition term, as we have described in our code here. The definition term is described as a subheading here. Okay, a subheading, and the description or describing of that definition term goes in a kind of like a paragraph aside to it. In the same way, we have a definition term soft drink here, and the description or the describe if you describe that one, it is used as a, like, however, if you write in notes somewhere, you write a definition term separately and you describe some matter like this. Okay, in this format. So using this kind of definition list, you achieve that pattern. So in your web page. Okay, so these are the three main lists which were described in the HTML5. So one is definition ordered list, unordered list, ordered list. Okay, and the next one is definition list. Okay, the ordered list, the unordered list, which is just described, builds the list in an unordered format. The ordered list makes the list in a ordered format, which means that the numbers are preceded before the list here. So as you have seen here, there is a numbering given in an ordered list. And coming to the definition list, which is simply describing a term, definition term. So you need again DT and DD tags in the definition list here. Okay, so these are the basics about three kinds of lists in HTML5. So see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.